So why the new server? Okay. Our previous server, it was a self-build, and there were sort of problems with people trying to scam. I didn't have moderators. I didn't have all of these bots that you see in there that help sort of track and that sort of thing. So I paid somebody to build us a new server. It's still not finished yet, but it's working very, very well. I've got some great mods in there. I think Richard's already in here on this Zoom as well. There's 4 moderators, people that our users, people that I've actually physically spoken to on Zoom or something like that. So Christine or Andre, there's 4 moderators in there at the moment. As we get bigger, I'll probably ask for more volunteers. And then there's myself, Prem and Gary as well. And we have kicked out a few people already. But the idea of this is the reason why I didn't get involved in the previous one is because there was a lot of scammers, and I just felt uncomfortable that people were trying to pretend to be me. And there's only one xBrat, okay? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to be more in touch with the community, but I wanted to do it in a safer environment. And this, I think, should be the safer environment. I've been very active in there answering questions. We've even got something called the support ticket. So when you click on there, instead of emailing info at or wherever, if you go into the Discord server and you've got a question about a piece of software, something like that, open a support ticket. Either myself, moderators, if they know, will answer that for you. We'll be able to do screen shares and everything like that. It almost becomes a live chat once I start answering. And we've already had a few. We know we're on a support ticket, I think 8 or 9 right now. So it does work. And I think some people in here may have used it. We've got other cool things in there. So obviously YouTube alerts and all that sort of stuff when new videos come out. We got a spam and rogues gallery, so when people try and befriend you pretending to be me or Gary, somebody else got contacted by someone today pretending to be me. We take a screenshot, put him in there, put him in the rogues gallery, make sure he's banned, and we let everybody know there. And I want to make everybody very clear watching this video live, watching this video on YouTube. I don't need any more friends. I will not befriend you on Discord. I will not accept friend notifications. None of my team will try and befriend you and sell you something. If you have purchased something from us already, you know what we're about. You go to the website, you buy it, we support you. We don't try and personally connect with you and sell you some really weird, crappy type of scheme or something like that. We sell software. We support that software and make traders successful. We do not try and friend you and sell you something like a service or signals or something like that. We don't do it. Okay. So this is another reason why we've got the rogues gallery. So we've got trading chats. We've got trading floors for futures. Trading floor for Forex there. There's trades yesterday. Crypto again. Even me, I'm just sharing. I bought 100 shares in YBTC, and then when they paid me their first weekly dividends of $61 after tax, I shared it on there. So I'm sharing what I'm doing. In the stocks thing, I recently bought EBITs. I bought 100 shares in EBITs. Okay. So I'm updating people on that. And we want to build the community. We want to build people that want to join in. It's not the Paul Club, okay? It's about other people joining in. We've got some voice channels, the voice lounges there. So we've got, I've been live to trial that recently. I think it was this week or last week, and it works. I can share screen. We can all go on video and start hanging out and chatting and trading and everything like that. And it's not just for me, it's for you guys to use as well. So if you want to just go into the community hangout, you want to go into the trading hub and trade and do things together, it's there for you. We've got channels on the different platforms, so you can ask questions, whether it's Think or Swim, TradeStation, Motivewave, TradingView, NinjaTrade, it's all there. We even have a staff lounge for us moderators and me, the founder, and everything like that. And we talk about, that looks like there's some dodgy people joining. Let's keep an eye on them, all that sort of thing. So this is going to be our new. Somebody else has just joined. Look, okay. Our new server, which will basically be our community. You want to hang out with me almost on a daily basis. Today, I've not been active purely because I've been in meetings all day about new development projects and all that sort of stuff. It's one of those days today, but other people are in there. Okay, we've got a verification robot. Okay, to make sure you're a human being, and all sorts of stuff in there. Really, really good, and it's going to grow. One thing that we're building at the moment is our AI. Ask Logan. We're trying to actually put it into here, code it into here, so you can literally open Logan up a bit like you can load ChatGPT up here. When you load that up, you can ask it questions and all that sort of stuff. So that will work there very, very well. So that's the server.